Hi, this is Lee. I'm funny, you know. So, this is what I like to do. I like to do dance. I like to play with my sister. I like to watch TV. And it must Daddy, I